Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. Get one of these at a low cost. You guys, free shipping. Take advantage of that. And it's almost the end of the month, guys. We almost made it. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. And we have here coming from Gaomon 620 battery free graphic tablet right there. This is the box you get. I already been messing around with it for a little bit. It works amazing. Now this is the next big thing to get. Everybody's buying these right now for the NFTs and everything that's been going on. Get a lot of cool stuff with this package deal. Get a nice little stylus pen. 580 LPI resolution, 8192 levels, pressure sensitivity, 10 reading height. System requirements, Windows 7 or later, or Mac 10 and up. But you can use Windows 10 and up. It has updates and drivers and that, so it works perfect on mine. And this is what the inside looks like. Like I said, I already took it out. And I got it set up on the computer. And I'll show you guys. I think my allergies are coming back. So, I mean, pretty much this, that. And you get some goodies. You get this glove. Not the OJ glove, but you get the, I'm not sure which way it goes, but I think it goes like this. I think. I'm not sure if I'm doing it right, but it's supposed to hold the pen still for you. Make your fingers won't cramp up. Then, of course, it comes with 2 USBs. You can use your smartphones, tablets, iPads. And then hop over to computer time. I'll show you the pen in about 1 second. Alright, guys, here we go. We got it set up pretty much like that. Maybe more light. Maybe too much light. There we go. That's how that looks. Here's the pen. You get a pen case with it. Then in this bag, you get some extra tips and a holder, which is pretty cool. And then grab out your Corel Paint or Photoshop or whatever you use. And we go. I gotta add something. Let's see if I can find a picture really quick. It's kind of hard to do it one hand. But you guys could catch my drift. That's what you do. With the pen. Got the memory right there. Click. There you go. So, check them out. Link is going to be down below, where you can get one of these graphic tablets at a low cost. And then there you go. Be safe. Have a good night. See you soon.